yourself. You all. You all. We don't want you here in D.C. Keep coming around and find out.
Do you feel like
you
represent a group of people who don't believe in America? Really angry. That is straight up triggering.
Guess what?
I love you. God bless you. God bless you. God bless America. God bless you.
You guys are idiots.
I wish you have a great. God bless.
You don't even know what you're talking about. You don't have fucking 4 brain cells.
That's all right, man.
Yeah, go. Keep telling yourself you're doing this, but you're racist pieces of shit.
Oh, so much anger, man.
You're about to get run over in traffic, sir. We don't want to see that happen.
Guess what? Keep coming back.
Sir,
we will.
There's traffic coming. We don't want to see you get run over.
I hope that you get some help and you become happy, because that's what America's about.
I hope your day gets better.
Yo, yourself.
I like America and I like freedom.
No, you don't. You're babies. You guys are babies. You think we're asking you to storm the beaches of Normandy? We're No, you're a bunch of fascist, racist assholes.
And you have to have
That's not freedom. Freedom without responsibility is childish bullshit.
But the thing is, get out of my city! Hey, fuck you! What freedom have you lost? What freedom have you lost? Tell me a freedom you've lost. I lost my mind because I haven't slept in 5 days. I want it to stop. It has to stop.
Then it stops when the government lifts the mandates.
You idiot! The mandates are provincial, not federal! The mandates, if you're mad about wearing a mask or getting a vaccine, go talk to Doug Ford!
Okay, well, you know what?
The Prime Minister has nothing to do with this!
Actually, he does.
Do you know anything about civics?
Yes, actually I do, because didn't the federal government make vaccine mandates for all federal employees?
No,
and all federal...
It's a requirement for your job!
Yeah, exactly. That's part of the mandates, man.
Karen!
Did they get a vaccine?
Karen!
Well, that's a choice!
It's not a choice, you stupid.
The honking will continue until freedom improves. Simple as that.
You!
Me?
You!
Join us.